What is that? Earthquake. Earthquake. So, how the earthquake was happening means sudden changes under the earth because of the earthquake is happening. Okay, the sudden changes is happening now. That point will be called as a focus. That point will be called as a focus where the earth origin, the starting point of the earthquake, that point will be called as a focus. Okay, so because of that sudden changes, the waves will be traveling in a different area. Because of the waves on the surface, we have the destructive. That particular areas will be called as a epicenter. What is that? Epicenter. Okay, so focus is the starting point of the earthquake. Epicenter is a surface. Because of the wave, we have some destructive on the earth. That particular area will be called as a what is it? Epicenter. How it we can calculate means, for example, this is here. This is focus. This is starting point means focus. So it will be moved towards different area. The waves will be because of that sudden changes. The waves will be moved towards this area. So because of this area, all will be affect. This area will be called as what is that? Epicenter. Okay. So we know the focus. We know the epicenter. So sudden changes was happening. Because of that, the waves are moving, so that waves will be segregated based on the characteristics. What does that means? It was divided into three. So what is that means? First one, what is that? P waves we can do. Second one, S waves. Third one, L waves. Okay, P waves means primary waves. What is that? P wave means primary waves. S wave means secondary waves. Okay, L wave means surface waves. Land waves actually, so it will be called as a surface. So surface waves will be called as a L waves. So primary waves, P waves. What is it? Secondary waves, S waves. Surface waves will be called as a L waves. Okay. So primary waves, first we can what we see means primary waves. These waves will be traveled towards gas, water, land area, rocks. In everything it will be traveled that much of what is it? Effective waves, which one means P waves. The speed, average speed for this means 5.3 to 10.6 kilometer per second. Per second it will be travel 5.3 to 10.6 kilometer. It will be traveling in all the areas. Maybe a water or gas or rock or soil, whatever. Okay, that's the primary waves. Next one, secondary waves. Okay, this will be travel on the soil is maximum because the speed of the waves will be somewhat less only. So, what is that? It will be traveling in the soil. The speed of the S waves is 1 kilometer to 8 kilometer average per second. 1 kilometer to 8 kilometer average speed per second actually. This is the S waves. Next one we are going to say about the L waves. Because of these L waves only we have most of the destructive on our surface, on our earth. Okay, how much it will be travel in all things? It will be travel here to 1 kilometer to 5 kilometer. 1 kilometer to 5 kilometer. Okay, so compared to the P waves, compared to the S waves, this particular speed and thing, everything will be less only, but maximum it will be travel on the surface. So destructive will be more on the top surface, on the layer of the first layer of the earth is there. No, there only will be travel maximum. So because of that, the destructive will be more. Okay, so that's it about waves. Okay, because of this earthquake, what other things we are all getting? First one, tsunami. Is it or not? Tsunami. We know we are not very familiar in the tsunami, I think so, because we faced that in 2004. 2004. Near to lakhs and lakhs of people we lost. Is it or not? Actually, the tsunami, the word is derived from Japan, Japanese language. Okay, harbor waves they will tell, so that will be in their language tsunami. So tsunami we are telling. Okay, so this tsunami also happening because of the earthquake under the ocean. The earthquake also, it's also one of the reason. Landslides will be happen, then volcanoes burst because of these all happen. Okay, but which we got the 2004 tsunami, no? It's because of the earthquake only. The land surface was lifted actually because of the tsunami we got. Okay, so normally what is the another things means the minimum speed of the tsunami is 500 km, average speed 500 km, and the length of the wave will be near to 600 km, average only. More than that also it will be happen, and height will be 15 to 20 meter. 15 to 20 meter. Okay, so that's it. That's the thing about tsunami. In 2004 we got tsunami. No, actually its origin in near to Indonesia. Near to Indonesia at morning 1. Actually, perfectly we want to means 58 a.m. So what is the thing? 12:58 a.m. Okay, and it reached Chennai at morning 7 o'clock. So near to 6 hours is taken to reach our Chennai. But it reached with full of speed near to 500 to 600 kilometers speed. Okay, and entered into the city near to 2-3 kilometers. It's entered into the city, and we lost so much of the people, and it's happened actually. Okay, so this is tsunami actually. Very dangerous. It's also happening because of the earthquake. So finding the earthquake, we have some of the instrument also. What is it? Seismograph. Seismograph actually, and about that we have separate study also, seismology. Okay, we study the seismology means we can learn more about the earthquake. Okay, so that's it about today's class. Remaining we are going to say about volcanoes. About volcano, types of volcano. The volcano was segregated based on their activities and based on the structure also, and what are the destructive and constructive because of the volcano. These alone we are going to see in next class. Okay, we can see that in next class. Okay, so learn properly, see the videos properly, learn and write. Finish your work on time and send it on time. Okay, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.